My name is Thomas Bergmann. I'm CEO of Silbersalz and I'm a filmmaker from Stuttgart, Germany. Basically, Silbersalz does commercial campaigns, advertising campaigns for huge companies. We do three things. We do the creative, conceptual side of work, we do the production company work, and we even started to work in media. We try to be very quick and fast for our clients because our clients demand this. First of all, we try to think first and then shoot. And I think this is the most important part of filmmaking. Think first what you do, think about your story, think about the emotion you want to achieve with your films. So this is very important. Second, we work close together and we can be very, very fast. Then I think we are quite smart when it comes to workflow. So for example, when we go out there and shoot in the middle of Iceland, for example, we start encoding H.265 using media encoder. Basically during the shoot, start uploading this footage and an editor in Stuttgart can start editing basically right now, basically during the shoot. The rest is smart producing and hard work. I really think in sequences and timelines. So the reason why I'm using Premiere is because it's a great tool, because it's flexible, because it does not tell me how to organize my project, because it gives me the flexibility to work like I want to work, and you can work on your workflows all the time. And Adobe does a really good work not telling me how to approach editing, how to approach color grading, how to approach audio. And this is what I really like. Yeah, basically we are like 4 or 5 people within Silbersalz that work on color, work on editing, work on audio. And Adobe project files are basically the language we're talking to each other. If I want to explain an idea to my colleague, I send him a project file. We used a dynamic link extensively in between After Effects and Premiere, of course. We use Audition mainly to fix audio problems. So the final mix we do in Premiere or in recording studios outside of Silbersalz. But we love Audition for fixing problems, and Premiere is open on 5 machines all the time. And basically, yeah, Adobe Cloud tools are the language that connects everything.